Ito.
Yes.
Ganyan.
So that's the red. That's on the right side.
This one, every so often, this malfunctions or it feels like it's losing its battery.
This side.
It's this one in particular.
Okay.
So we've had to bring it to what's the good name of your girl?
Shara.
Shara. So she fixes it and we get it.
It shouldn't be. So I will have this checked.
Mhm. Oh, is there any other part? Oh, the wire, Ana, akin na yung charger. Nandyan kasi yung charger nito eh. Yung charger ng phone.
Is it working, Tita? Let me see if it's on.
No, I don't hear the...
Okay, let me see if it's on. Beebs, have you ever tried this before? Have you tried this one? Never? You've never tried this?
Ito, this goes with the set. Oh, but,
Why is it not turning on? I wonder if this is charged. Beebs, favor, can you call Shane for me? Beebs, pwede tawagin mo si Shane.
Okay.
I just want to know if this was charged. I don't think it was charged. Here, hold on, Tita. Let me just call Shane. 1 second, let me get my phone.
PC. Try ko ulit.
Sorry, Tita. Let me just double call the... Tita, you wanna sit down?
no, okay lang. I'll get my drink.
Of course. Viol, nandyan si Sheng? Wala. Sino nandyan? Si Flor? Sige, pwede kausapin ko si Flor naman, please. Sumasagot? Sino nandyan? Sino nandyan, Viol? Kausapin ko sila ngayon. Kahit sino. Sige, si Shell. Hi! Shell, question. Do you know if na-charge yung hearing aids ni Tita Boots? Yung dinala ni Shell?